Hey guys, welcome to another edition of The Watch Collector. My name's Ollie. Today we're getting to look at a brand called Awake, and actually a couple of these pieces I got to see at a pretty good event called Hands-On Horology a few weeks ago. That was the first time I got to see them in person, and now I get to actually critique them properly. But of course, before we get to that, the obligatory wristwatch check, and today I'm wearing the Laurent Ferrier Sport Auto in grade 5 titanium. So, Awake is a brand that created by a gentleman called Lilian Thibault in 2019, and the whole idea of the ethos behind it was to try and provide a new philosophy on time and to really make the most of the present and not always be looking towards the future. And that's really the idea behind the name Awake, to really awaken the senses. And in so doing, what he's done is create a number of different really quite limited edition pieces that evoke various different feelings when you look at the dial. And they are one of the best dials, certainly at this price point, if any price point I should say, of watches in the market at the moment. So let's have a look at the first three. Now what they use is a technique called Son Mài. Put this here so hopefully you can see. A technique called Son Mài, which is called sanded lacquering. And it's a Vietnamese tradition of making like handcrafted, very beautiful elements. And so on top of that, what they've done is, not being satisfied with using something that's really quite rare and not many people have heard of, is they've applied silver leaf with natural pigmentation on top of it. And so what we've got here are three different versions, all of them limited to 50 pieces. We've got, as you can see, we've got green, we've got what they call Moka, and we've got the blue. You make your own minds up as to which one you prefer. They're all so strikingly different. I'm not so sure I actually have a preference, to be honest, because all of them will fit in very well in completely different environments. I think if I was pushed, then standard choice, I'd probably go for the green, just because it's a bit more striking to my eyes, but all of them very pretty. So as you can see, other than the color, they are precisely the same material and diameter, so all in 316 steel, 39mm by 11.8 millimeters in height. So I'll take one just so that you can focus on one in particular. I'll take my favorite. So 39mm in diameter, 11.8 millimeters in height, and just so that there's a sort of an additional nod to what Awake are trying to do, on the crown itself, they've got a logo that they call Genus, and that is to reflect the elements of earth, wind, air, and fire, and it's almost like a four-leaf clover design. It's really quite nicely done. The crown itself is nicely done. It's got good feel, good tactility, and the polish on the 316 steel is also very nicely done. There's another calling card for Awake that I should mention, and that's the way they do the loom. So of course it's super luminova and incredibly responsive and bright in low lighting conditions, but it's 3D. So actually it's a full, almost describe it as like a plank of loom, and then they apply the indices on top. And so what that really creates is a 3D, very striking luminous effect, not only around the indices, but also of course the hands on the dial. At night it looks fantastic and it glows like a blue purple, almost like it's quite a fiery representation. It's really very nice. If we flip it over, it's a La Jouperet movement with 68 hours power reserve. Great movement for this price. I think La Jouperet are one of, if not the leader in making really top quality movements at much more affordable price points. It's extremely reliable, certainly I haven't come across an issue with the lacquer movement. And the guys who are running the company, they're doing really great things. So you've got some nice Côte de Genève on there, so you've got that super reliability, and each one of these pieces has got a micro rotor, sorry, not a micro rotor, a rotor that has been uniquely created for this range. So again, it's a nice little nod that this is a brand that not only does use the lacquer movement, but they go that extra mile to make sure you really feel like it's made for a wake. So these are the Son Mài with frosted leaf pieces. As I said, all limited editions to 1 of 50. But then we have probably my favorite of the lot. Now, we're lucky enough to have one here, but actually all these pieces are sold out. So this is, again, the Son Mài, using exactly the same technique with the leaf layered on top, but this is their Jurassic World, Jurassic Park inspired homage to that franchise, the T-Rex. And not only do you have that really striking orange effect, which I loved when I first saw the equivalent Zeitwinkel. Of course, the Zeitwinkel is 10 times the price of this. I love the way they've used the orange. I love the gradient that goes along the dial. It's got the kind of cute 2 claws that scrapes down the bottom at 6 p.m. A nod to the fact that Tyrannosaurus only has 2 claws on its sort of its baby claws that I suppose you might want to refer to them as. But I love the combination of this, the way that it reflects with the orange and a highly polished bezel. I think it works superbly. And on top of that, they've paired it with an extremely cool salmon strap. The others are on D-lugs in nubuck. This is on a salmon with like a slight sheen, a pearlescence that again goes really wonderfully with the dial. It's exactly the same diameter and technical specifications as the others, but this is a piece that again is limited to 50, but sold in 2 tranches. 1 of 25, which are all sold out, and there'll be another 25 released at some point. So that specifically of the 4, I would say that is my favorite, because I absolutely love the green. I love the orange, I should say. The green is also super cool. But guys, I don't think you can go wrong really. As a offering at around the €2,000 price point, with the finishing they put into it, the fact you've got an extremely rare Vietnamese handcrafted technique in order to be able to create the dial, different colors to choose from, lacquer movement, great power reserve, I should say, of 68 hours, 50 meter water resistant. I mean, as a summer watch, if you're looking to pick one up, I'm not sure you can get much better than that. So guys, so that's the Awake range with their Sonmai lacquering. We'd love to know what you think. Moka, green, blue, T-Rex. But that's enough for me. We'll see you next time.